experience for us and a good experience for them. Everyone learned a lot, we had some fun, and overall we really got to know everybody. I think it was a great success. Everyone enjoyed it. I certainly did, and the plan is to make this at least an annual thing.
We had all different levels of sailors, and putting everybody together on 4 or 5 boats. It was real fun, and became better and really learned a lot, and also had a lot of fun.
Thank to our coaches that are at the level that we never expected, we never wished in our best dreams. Thanks to all of you, really.